Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. The length of a rectangle is 18 feet and the width is 12 feet. What is the perimeter in yards? We have to find out. So first of all, let us draw a rectangle. So let's say this is our rectangle that has length L is given as 18 feet and this width W is given as 12 feet. Now, we know that the perimeter of any rectangular, here it is rectangular yard, so any rectangular yard has perimeter twice of length plus width. So we know the length and we know width. Let's substitute these values and obtain the perimeter. So 60 feet is the perimeter. So unit is feet here. 60 feet is our perimeter, but we have to find the perimeter in yards. So let us convert this feet into yard. We know that 1 foot is equal to 0.333, approximately 0.333 yards. Therefore, by unitary method, we can find out that 60 feet will be equal to 60 multiplied by the 0.333 yards. We have calculated this using unitary method. So let us simplify this. 60 multiplied by 0.333 is approximately 20 yards. Hence, we can say that our perimeter in yard will be 20 yards. Now, let's check the option. So, 20 yard is option D. Hence, we can say that the answer is option D.